Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see why we often get the error not all code paths return a value. So you can see the error message here on the right side that it says not all code path return a value. So if you are a beginner and you are just trying started with the programming language, then this error comes when you have specified some return type in the method and then you are not returning anything in the code. Okay, so now what that means is, suppose we have this method here and here we says we will return the string and the return data type will be string, but you can see we have not returned anything in the code part. So in that case it will give the error that not all code paths return a value. So the often good way to fix this is to check if you are returning anything if you have specified data type here. So for example, if you use a void here, then you don't need to return anything and this error will go away. But if you are returning anything here like string, then what we have to do is we have to pass some kind of string data as a return. So now you can see we have this string data and we have returned the data here, and then the error is gone. Okay, now similarly the other example is here. So we have this action result here and we have not returned anything in the code. Okay, so that's why it is giving the error not all code path return a value. So for fixing this you must have returned something for the action result. Okay, so now you can check the above one. Here it is action result and it is returning the view. Okay, so similarly you must have some kind of return method here uh, to return the action result object. Okay, so for fixing this what we can do is we can return you can either return a view, or you can, if you don't have any kind of view, then what you can do is you can say redirect to action and then you can specify the action name. Okay, so now why I specified the action name index, because this is the action available here and it is returning the view. Okay, so the other way will be to return a view directly here and you can also specify the name here. Okay, so this is how you can fix the error not all code path return a value. If you are facing similar issue, then you can comment on the video. So thank you guys.